This is replacing a LCD monitor in an NRT. This is the old style NRT where the door flips up, as can be seen. If you come by chance to come to the screen, and if you look down here on the bottom, and if this light is red instead of green like it is now, that means it's not getting any video signal. It's very, very likely that the APC has a USB cable plugged into it, and you want to make sure that's been disconnected, because otherwise it will cause the screen to go blank like that. It goes into a power saving mode. The easiest way is just to take the cable and unplug it. There, see how it turned red? Because it lost its video signal. And then it'll turn green when it gets video signal again. It goes to sleep. So first thing to check is if that light's red, that the UPS has a USB cable plugged in, and just simply unplug it, reboot the machine, you should be good to go. If that light is off, or if it's green and you can't see a picture, then you're going to change it. So you can do this with the power on. You don't need to reboot the machine. You pull that plug out, you'll pull this plug out. These screws, the 4 screws in the corner, you'll loosen them one at a time. When you get to the last one, be careful, because the monitor might want to drop. So brace it so that, just in case it does. And then these little cables here, you can get them out, push them out of the way enough where things will just slide down. You might have to cut a zip tie or two, but try not to. And it will come out at an angle like that. And you'll take the new screen and do the reverse opposite. You go in there, go through the side. Be careful not to hit anything on the front of the screen. You don't want to scratch it. Move the cables out of the way, like that. And then just tighten them up. Put your 2 cables in. Then you can see the little light on the bottom screen again. And you're done.